Today I'm showing you exactly how to make this potent herbal growth shampoo that targets alopecia, thinning and breakage using only aloe vera and rosemary. So if you've been battling breakage, bald spots or slow growth, don't scroll away, stay right here because this could be the turning point in your hair journey. Hi natural lovers, welcome in and welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. Today's recipe is going to be really fast and very simple as we'll be using these two ancient time tested ingredients that still outperform modern formulas, aloe vera and rosemary, to make a potent hair shampoo that once you start using it, your strands and your hair will never stop thanking you. So first we'll start by prepping our aloe vera. We are going to be scooping out the gel. Always remember to discard this part that has this yellowy substance. Next, I'm going to be washing this properly to get rid of dirt and any remaining yellowish substance. Aloe vera contains enzymes that helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp and create a clean surface for hair to grow. It's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, which all promote cell turnover and keep your follicles alive and active. The enzymes in aloe vera that helps to repair dead skin cells make aloe vera a great choice for anyone that is suffering from alopecia or bald spots. And also, apart from targeting alopecia, fighting thinning and bald spots, aloe vera also balances your scalp pH, which prevents dandruff, dryness and that tight itchy feelings that leads to breakage. So after trying out this shampoo that I'm showing you today, you might never ever use just a regular shampoo, because this shampoo doesn't just cleanse your scalp, but it wakes up your dormant follicles and encourages new growth. So guys, before we proceed, if you are yet to like this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up, as this will encourage YouTube to push this video more to people that are looking for solution as well. And now I'm done extracting my aloe vera gel. Remember, you can use any method that works for you to extract this gel. You don't have to follow my method, okay? Now I'll be adding in a tablespoon of dried rosemary. You can as well use the fresh one. Just use a handful if you're using the fresh one. I will add this together, pour it into my blender, and I'm going to blend that and I'll be back. I blended this for about 3 minutes, not really sure, just blend it until everything is properly blended. I added a little amount of water just to ease the blending. And after blending, I sieved this, and I ended up sieving the second time using a cheesecloth. So if you don't want residues on your hair after washing, you want to make sure to sieve this properly, okay? And the next thing I'll be adding is a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can as well use olive oil or any other oil of your choice. Now you're going to be adding some amount of your regular shampoo. Yes, your favorite shampoo that you like using. Add in the amount that you know can be enough to wash your hair. This mixture is really powerful. Rosemary isn't just a herb, it's a growth stimulator. It improves circulation to the scalp, bring more oxygen and nutrients to each follicles. That means stronger root, faster growth and reduced shedding. Rosemary also blocks DHT, a hormone that causes hair follicles to shrink, especially in people battling alopecia and hereditary hair loss. So this combination right here is a game changer. So now that our shampoo is ready, do not click away, because this next step is even the most important part, which is the application process. I'm going to be showing you how to use this. I'll be telling you the do's and don'ts if you want to see results with this recipe, okay? So stay with me and keep watching. To use this shampoo, you're going to be using it just like your regular shampoo. Yes, the way you use your regular shampoo, that's the same way you're going to be using this shampoo. Which is first, you're going to be wetting your hair thoroughly, but I'm not going to be wetting my hair because I don't want to make a mess since I'm not in the bathroom. After wetting your hair thoroughly, you're going to be focusing on your scalp. So you will apply the shampoo all over your scalp. Remember, that's where growth takes place, so you want to focus on your scalp. Then work your way gently through your strands. So about how often you should use this shampoo, you're going to be using this shampoo at least once every week to wash your hair. So ensure that your favorite shampoo which you'll be adding into this recipe is sulfate free, as this will make it gentle enough not to dry out your natural oil and not to dry out your hair. But if you can't keep up with using this weekly, you can decide to use it bi-weekly or only on the day you wash your hair. But just know that the result is not going to come as faster as when you're using this weekly, okay? But the result will definitely come. Now, after applying this shampoo all over your scalp and working it down through your strands, you're going to take at least 2 minutes to massage your scalp. This step is very important as it's going to help wake up your follicles, boost circulation, and help these ingredients to sink deeper into your scalp. Now, I like to allow this sit on my hair for about 5 minutes, but you can go straight away and wash this out. And after washing it out, you're going to follow up with your moisturizing conditioner or your deep conditioner. Once you start using this shampoo consistently, by week 3 you will notice your scalp healing and your follicles reactivating. You're going to be noticing tiny new hairs that might start appearing along your hairline, your crown, or any bald spots. And by week 4 and beyond, you will notice your hair getting stronger, thicker, and fuller. And this is not going to happen overnight, but gradually as your scalp continues to recover. And remember, every hair type grows at its own rhythm, but with patience and consistency, you're going to be seeing results. Trust me, just be consistent, believe in your hair again, because your scalp can heal, your hair can regrow, and your crown can shine again naturally. So if you've watched up to this point, I want you to comment, let's grow together from the root up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've not. See you on my next video. Bye.